Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just wanted to share how to find the Qibla direction with a known value of the location that someone is at. Say for an example, the location I'm recording this video from is Melbourne, Australia, and from here the Qibla is approximately 280 degrees north. That's a known value. So this is all someone need to know before finding out the Qibla from any given location within Melbourne, using just an analog watch like this and sunlight. It's very simple. Why you would need to do this? Because there would be some places where your cell phone wouldn't work due to lack of the signal, internet, your compass wouldn't work properly for whatever app you are using. I have faced this issue a lot of times. So inshallah, this if you know this way of finding the Qibla, when you know where exactly or approximately the Qibla is from the wider location, if this value is known, then you can find the Qibla. So let's see how it works, inshallah. So at the beginning, one need to know where the position of the sun is. In this case, I'm going to use the table lamp as a prototype of sun. So just put a stick on the ground or a plain surface or your finger, and that will tell you the shadow will tell you the direction of sun. So in this case, say for an example, this is where the sun is, and once you find that out, then all you need to do is just to put in the analog watch like this and face and point the number 12 on the dial towards the direction of the sun like this. And the next thing we need to do is to take a note of where the hour hand is, the small hand, and there are two hands, minute hand and hour hand. We need to take a note of the hour hand, where it is, and point it on the plane or the surface or the piece of paper that you're trying to do the work. I'm showing this for demonstration purpose, but later on you can do this in your head, in your mind. It becomes very easy because this is very simple. So now I'll extend this line, and this is where the our hand is pointing to, and this is the direction of sun. Now all we need to do is to bisect this angle, and so that this angle is equal to this angle, and then this will be our north. Now this will work only for southern hemisphere, the countries that are in southern hemisphere. For the northern hemisphere countries, I'll tell towards the end how it works. So once we have the north and we know this value, it's very simple to find out where the Qibla is. So just say north, south, east, west, and when you find out the north from your previous calculation, just place the north towards that direction by moving the piece of paper, or however way you are trying to find this out. And once you do that, then all we need to do is just to go 280 degree north from there. So this is 90, this is 180, this is 270 degree. So 280 would be approximately somewhere here, 280. So this would be the Qibla direction from that specific place, given we know this value, approximate value of the region for the Kaaba direction. Now for the countries that are in northern hemisphere, all we need to do is again see where the sun is. So the sun is this direction, and then instead of placing number 12 towards the direction of sun as we did for the southern hemisphere countries, we need to put the hour hand towards the direction of sun. So in this case, small hand, which is the hour hand, is pointing towards the sun, and then we need to take a note of where the number 12 is. So if I move this, I'm going to put the point here, extend this line, and say this was the direction of the hour hand. Again, same deal, bisect this angle, and then this becomes the south, which means the opposite will be the north. Again, these are for the northern hemisphere countries. Again, as soon as you know which way is your north, then by knowing this value you can always find out the Qibla. Hope this helps to find out the Qibla from for a location where you know this value. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.